Hi guys, my name is Faisal. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 foldable smartphone is greatly improved with a larger cover display, a 120Hz refresh rate flexible screen, a triple camera, and stereo speakers. After the introduction of the Galaxy S21 series in mid-January this year, we are now waiting for the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip. The clamshell smartphone was announced together with the S20 series. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is expected to be released in the summer of 2021. As time goes by, more and more details are known about the new folding phone from Samsung. In this publication, we take a closer look at the expected specifications and improvement compared to its predecessor. According to the source, the first foldable novelty of Samsung in 2021 will be the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip. I believe the model will not be named the Galaxy Z Flip 2, but the Galaxy Z Flip 3 to keep up with the markings of another foldable series. Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 promises to be perhaps the most interesting smartphone of the Korean brand in 2021, and all because the folding device is created with a number of important transformations. The image showcases the Galaxy Z Flip 3 with a different design that not inherits the feature of the original Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy S21 as previously reported. According to the available data, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will have a sub-screen front end. Another popular rumor points to sport the S Pen stylus. The popular source of leaks on Samsung Eyes Universe started talking about him again. The list of technical characteristics of the model that the proposed includes support for the stylus, but not on the internal 7.56-inch screen, but on the external 6.23-inch. This looks like a very expected scenario, although it is quite understandable. It is extremely difficult to achieve sufficient rigidity of the protective surface of the folding panel for the stylus to work. While the external screen is protected in the traditional way, it is also reported that the Galaxy Fold 3 will be thinner and lighter than its predecessor and will also receive moisture protection. Finally, at least one internal shield will be 120Hz with the new LTPO display. According to some rumors, it is on it that the sub-screen front camera will be implemented, while there is no such clarity on the external panel yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is expected to be unveiled alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 3 in July. Connected for more updates, and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.